Okay, the first couple videos of the 2404 bunch are pretty low tier, tier 1, 2, and 3. So let's see if we can get through a couple of those today. Um, so this one has symmetry in two ways. So it's been a while since I've mirrored a part. We're going to do symmetric extrude. We're going to do mirrored part. I see these little holes on the side. We'll get those added in before the mirror. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Let's just jump right in. All right, we're going to extrude on the front plane. And we're going to dimension. Oh, there we go. Our overall width is going to be 150 divided by 2. Overall height we've got here is 40. This little portion, dimensions in the front view, will make that 11. And what else do we need? Oh, the dimension up here at the top. So that's going to be 50 divided by 2. Click OK. We'll go into this extrude. We'll set the depth to be symmetric, and the depth is listed in the top view of 33. Middle click will help me build that. Oh, interesting. My mouse has slowed right down. There we go. Let's add that hole. So this one I'll use the hole placement tool instead of sketching. And we'll measure it as 33 divided by 2 from the center plane. And we'll measure it as 20 up from the bottom. The depth is going to be to next, and the diameter is 6. Now let's take the entire part and mirror it about the center plane. Okay, and last, let's add a hole to the top. I turn my planes back on so that I can set these, use these draggers, and I'm going to set these instead of offset, I'm going to make them aligned. So it's right in the center. We'll use the drilled hole to add a counter bore. So the through hole diameter is 12. I wish I could do that, but it's not going to let me until I change the counter bore. So the counter bore is 22. The diameter is 12. And the depth is 6. That's shown in the right side view. The depth of the whole thing is all the way through or up through to next. And it is ABS. And we will give it 145. Right. So pretty straightforward part there. I guess I would say don't forget that you can apply certain features to the entire part. So mirroring the entire part, just click up here, hit mirror, and you're good to go. All right. See you soon.